Welcome back to the channel. Today on the Bondo Brothers, we're going to weld everything up. We got our gaps perfect. All our measurements are right on. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. Notification bell. All right. You guys have a great weekend. Whoa! Ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Brand new. Not bent, not rolled, not brazed, not drilled through. Perfect. How come you were grinding on the brand new windshield frame?
Oh, this is aftermarket windshield. It's sticking out the hinge rod and the hinge like a quarter inch.
Each
and
side?
we don't want to leave exposed the half the quarter inch in each side. You're gonna grind, prep. It's gonna look smooth and more original. That's why we decide to cut it. Duncan says don't cut it, but we're gonna make a nice build. That's why we decide to cut it.
Awesome. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the spot welds holes. That way it's gonna be clean for a good penetration. I don't have a sunglasses, but these ones work a champ.
So, did you, is that a normal drill bit or did you modify it?
I modify it. It's a flat, so I can use it like
Oh, okay, I get it, like a cleaner.
a cleaner, exactly.
We're now welding in the windshield frame. One plug weld at a time. It's coming out great. Umberto is an excellent body man, 42 years of experience.